Let me say this. First, I must thank Mr. Dr. Trevor Dixon for extending such invitation. It's an honor, it's a privilege to be here. I want to say something. I'm not that much of a speaker, I'm an entertainer. But I just have to say this before everything. I feel the JAHJAH Foundation because I feel the founder. And it is one doing something and it's the other doing it from your heart. I have had an experience. If you look carefully, you will see that I have so many rings on my finger. You know, I have lost my wife in this state recently. And we got married, been together for a couple of years, got married, and now she has to go. And so I'm ending up with all these rings and with a badge that represents my beautiful life. While all of this was happening, Dr. Dixon, he was there. He was there, and in our last hours, when we realized that she wasn't going to make it, Dr. Dixon told me that, you know what, Nesbeth, it is best I send for your kids so they can come and see her before she part ways. And eye water fell from my eyes when he suggested that, because he never have to do it. And as I said, the JAHJAH Foundation, I feel it because the founder, he was there and my kids came, but it was too late because when they arrived, she was already gone. But the fact that he has gone, the mileage of sending for them, it means a lot to me. So I'm happy to be here. I'm going to sing this song that I sang for my wife at her funeral about 3 to 4 weeks ago. I just want you all to listen. This state is a state that I will always remember. Always. Alright, listen to this song. It was a normal day like today, me a plan for tomorrow. When the news came and everything changed, me know my life not gonna be the same. When my wife close her eye and stop breathe, phone drop same time me get weak in on my knees and me feel a pain. Me feel a pain when me still a feel. So me ask, what make I hear? Why I couldn't me or somebody else, God? Know me helpless when me fit do. Me can't make it all by myself. Me can't make it cause it too much for one man beer. It too much for one man beer. All when the pastor I say you there, heaven and rest that no bring no comfort to me ear. It too much for one man beer. Too much for one man beer. All when the coffin are closed, me know the last time me go see your face. Same place me heart here. So some memory alone can't live off. Me lose a wife forever when me lose a leader. And on your funeral day when the rain a fall, every raindrop me know of God I water. No, me don't want no happily ever after. Losing you were one of my greatest disaster. I cry out evil when face and laughter. Smile have no meaning because of you with shatter. It too much for one man beer. Too much for one man beer. All when the pastor I say you there, your heaven arrest that no bring no comfort to me ear. It too much for one man beer. Too much for one man beer. All when your coffin not close, me know the last time I go see your face. Same place me heart tear.
But guess what? With the JAHJAH Foundation, it is one out of two things. It's either it encourages someone to go and build a foundation to help not just themselves but this beautiful world that we're living in, or it opens a door so that whoever is considering to join an organization that makes sense and standing for something can be welcome and join the JAHJAH Foundation. So give the JAHJAH Foundation a round of applause, please. And let me say this, I will always remember my wife, I will always remember my journey, but my wife wouldn't want me to stop on the wayside. She is one of, and will always be, my strongest motivator. So as a result of that, we have to tell each and everyone that it is important to have a dream, but it is more important to live your dream. And if your dream is to help the people that is less fortunate, then when you realize that you have done that, you are automatically living that dream. So guess what? This is one of my biggest songs up to today's date. It is taking me all over the world. So I'm happy to be here at the JAHJAH Foundation sharing my dream. Drop the track for me now, please. Let me start it that way, yeah. Oh, JAHJAH Foundation say. Start it. My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is in my dream. Hear the most silent, I'm asleep when we say. Tell you my goal, my goal, my goal. All of my goal is to reach my goal. Live a happy life, put it on me head school. Nobody know fi cry over me dead. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now. I'm here tell you my life, when them used to come round me, come round. No one used to come round me, my life was so lonely. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. Me a say plain like JUTC. When you see me, it's on TV. Shows after shows after shows after shows. Tours after tours after tours after tours. When me name call is like rows after rows. Sweet melody and chorus after chorus. The black one grown, it must doors after doors after doors after doors after doors after doors. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now. I'm gonna tell you my life. When them used to come round me, come round. No one used to come round me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. Jah blessing just a flow over. It's a copia and a cover. JAHJAH soldier from boardhouse to sidewalk to leather sofa. Them say me living like the Costa Nostra. No sir, me no mix up in a coca. Marijuana no dust to the nose ya. I no border, not a obia. Can't get over. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now, oh, look Look at me now, I mean that tell you my life for them used to come round me, go round, no one used to come round me, my life was so lonely. Look at me now, in my favorite part of the song. Me a thank God for me blessing. Now me can afford to give back to some of the same people them we used to say things, all who used to say it. Now bust in campus, them same one that take bus, come on the stage of it call up, but me still a call up. Them bust them but me can't trust them, see them but me not touch them, I hate them but me can't love them. From Trenchtown and next star rise again. Look at me now, with them cheap less than gold. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. I'm gonna tell you my life, with them used to come round me, no one used to come round me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now, stop the chat. And it would be an insult if I come here and sing this song only once. Because really and truly, everywhere else, God, I just can't stop singing this song. But I can tell you this much. I don't believe in giving up.
Never.
Well, give, I believe in give. I don't believe in staying down, so I will forever be up. But putting the two words together, I don't believe in that. I decide that I am going to set my goals and I'm going to reach for it. And regardless of where I came from, I am going to be that star that will shine and the world will definitely see what time is it, alright? And I know that you all here have a dream and you're going to live your dream. JAHJAH Foundation, play about the chop for me now, please. Andrea, blessings.
Let's go!
Dream and dream, big, don't it?
Pop, pop, pop!
My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is to live my dream. Hear the most sign of me sleep when me sing. Tell you my goal, my goal, my goal. All of my goal is to reach my goal. If I have to life with the family next door, you already know to cry over me then. Look at me now, when you treat me the same way. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Look at me now, look at me now. Look at me now, I'm gonna tell you my life. For them used to come round me, no one used to come round me. My life was so shy. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. You are taking like JUPC. When you see me, it's on TV. Shows after shows after shows after shows. Tours after tours after tours after tours. When me them call is like rows after rows. Sweet melody and rows after rows. No matter what tour, it was rows after rows after rows after rows after rows after. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now, oh. Me like tell them my life, for them used to come round me, come round. No one used to come round me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. Flow over, kiss a cobra and a cobra. JAHJAH soldier, from Bodos to sign out to let us over. Them say me living like the Costa Noja, Rosa. Me no mix up in the coca. Marijuana no dust to the nose, yeah. I no cola, not a obia. Can't all over dream, yes sir. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. I'm gonna tell you my life, for them used to come round me, go on. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. Everybody know this name, JAHJAH Foundation. JAHJAH Foundation from the country, Ocean. I heard you speak, one of the speakers come here and speak about the yesteryear politics that we are trying to get rid of. And let me say this song, My Dream, it is the first in history, in the history of Jamaica politics, the two parties use the same song. So that in its own way, shape or form tell you that Jamaica is running away from the Jamaica it used to be. Yes. And I am happy that that song had even like the Prime Minister himself, Mr. Honorable Andrew Holness,
to invite Nesbeth at the inauguration ceremony where history was unfolded, because never in history a prime minister has ever joined an artist on stage at the inauguration ceremony and helped sing his song. So I am happy for such invitation. Everybody trying to please, we say dream. All who have a dream, wave and let the world see, because it's all about a dream. Dr. Dixon. My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. My dream is live my dream. You know no sign, I'm asleep, I'm asleep. You know my dream. I am my dream, and so that's my dream. You want the life to become the extreme. Your body will be right there from the dead. Look at me now, when them cheat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. I'm tell you my life. When them used to come on, my one used to come on, and my life was so lonely. I'm rich here, let's get rich here, I'm rich here. You are the pain like tail. Tours after. When me name call is like rose after rose. Sweet melody and rose after rose. The black and white moon is rose after rose after rose after rose after rose after. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. And me can tell you my life. When them used to come on, no one used to come on. My life was so lonely. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. Just listen, just a over. It's a coda, I'm a coda. Just a soldier. From models to sidewalk to look at soda. Them say we live in like the door. You know it's a pina coda. Marijuana, no lost to the rosa. I know coda, not a coda. Can't get over. What's that? Look at she now. But then she doesn't stand good. Look at in the box like a rectangle. Oh, look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. And me can tell you my life. When them used to come round me, no one used to come round me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Me a thank God for the blessing. When we can afford to give back to some of the same people them we used to say things. I know we used to say it. Now we the same when I take me to the stage with the calling. But me still not calling. The post them but me can't. See them but me not touch. They hate them but me can't like them. From Georgetown, Alex, Star Rise again. Look at me now, when them treat me less than good. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. And me can tell you my life. So come on, no one used to come on. My life was so lonely. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. When them treat me less than good. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. I'm gonna tell you my life. When them used to come on, no one used to come on. My life was so lonely. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now.